How to add YouTube channel link in Facebook bio. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, I don't recommend that you add the YouTube channel link to the Facebook bio, and let me explain why. As you can see, if we copied, say for example, this is the channel, I want to copy the link of this channel and put it on my Facebook bio. I open up Facebook and go to the profile, edit public details, and then edit the bio. If I paste the link right here and went back, you can see that it has been added to the bio, but the link is not clickable. Even the username of the channel is not clickable. I mean, you can add it, as I'll show you here, but it will be just added as text, meaning people won't be able to click on it, as you can see. What I recommend you do is that you copy the name of the channel, the username, and paste it where I will show you right here. From the information section, click on edit public details, and then scroll all the way down to links and click on add. Then from the social links section, click on add social link, then select the platform to be YouTube, and then add your username right here. And this is a way better option because, let me show you, the iGameplay right here, and click on save at the top right of the screen. And if you went back to your profile, you can see that your channel has been added in your information section, but now it's a clickable link. So meaning when people click on it, it will redirect them to your channel, which is a much better option. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a YouTube channel link to your Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.